Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials: Windows 10 64-bit with recent updates, a compatible PCIe slot, and sufficient PSU wattage, plus the right 6-pin or 8-pin power cable. Next, identify your exact NVIDIA model in Device Manager or Hardware Box. This avoids wrong drivers. Download the GeForce driver named for that model and Windows 10. Once done, disable Windows Update Automatic Driver installs temporarily so the installer won't be overwritten. Now power down and prepare to install the card. You'll physically install the card. Open the case, seat the GPU firmly into the PCIe X16 slot, screw the bracket, and attach the PSU connectors. Reboot into Windows and run the NVIDIA driver installer you downloaded. Choose Custom Install and check Clean Install to remove old drivers and registry traces. This prevents conflicts. Install the core graphics driver, Phys X, and HD audio as needed. If you want automatic game optimizations, install GeForce Experience, otherwise skip it. Make sure display cables attach to the new GPU outputs. Once installed, verify the card appears in Device Manager and open NVIDIA Control Panel to set global preferences and resolution. Run a benchmark or a game. Watch temperatures and clocks to ensure stability, and adjust fan curves if needed. If you encounter driver errors or black screens, boot safe mode and run display driver uninstaller to remove all NVIDIA traces, then reinstall the correct driver. Finally, re-enable Windows automatic driver updates if you prefer, but make sure to keep a current driver backup on disk.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.